We have some good news, at least from one of the injured parties over at Pro Circuit Kawasaki. That guy, Cameron Mcadoo, has announced as of today, or as I'm reading this, that he will be back for the first round of the SMX playoffs. Now, obviously, it's been a very long time since we've seen him race, all the way back to the national round of supercross where he got injured. But on his Instagram, he said, quote, excited to announce that I'll be making my return to racing next weekend for the SMX playoffs. It's been a long summer of watching races, so I can't wait to be out there to finish off the year with some gate drops. See you in Charlotte. And a little piece on the bottom, kind of funny. It says, I might have to get a hold of my friend Phil Nicoletti for some pointers on the SMX LCQs. Now, obviously, as far as I've seen, as far as I've read, he just got back riding a couple weeks ago. So this is going to be, right up to speed. This is jumping right into all the guys who have been racing all summer and all year, right up to who are up to race pace. And I don't think he's going to win any races. I don't think this is him coming back and being like super competitive, but you never know. He might come back and blow everybody out of the water because he's been off the bike for so long and healed and no lingering injuries, hopefully. But I think it's still good. Obviously, you want as many people back as you can get. Like I always say, more people, more competition, better product, better watching. And, he's on one of the best teams and one of the most talented people out there. As long as he can stay injury free, not say injured, that'd be bad. I think he'll do good. I'm expecting top 10, maybe top 5, depending on how it goes. But either way, it's just exciting to see him back. I mean, it's been a long time for one of the what you would assume to be championship contending riders to be out all summer long. But hopefully he can come back, get some like you said, get some gate drops under him and get up back up to speed, and we'll see what happens next year at Supercross. But comments down below. You guys tell me, are you going to the SMX playoffs? If any of them, which rounds? How well do you expect McAdoo to do? And who do you think is going to win? Does Deegan take his second title or second SMX title in a row? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.